Welcome to G Science Adventure, and I got this make your own unicorn slime, so I can make my unicorn slime. First, you take this tube of pink glue, also says on the back to a slime. I do it up to 30. And if you know how to make slime, go to the link in the description. And I got a new.
Mama to help you with the instructions. No. Yeah?
Yeah, because I got a new match color. If you want to see my match colors, go to GTD Explorer or match.
Okay, the entire bottle.
The entire bottle we have to use. You need your mom helping you.
You?
It makes a very
Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Ew. Okay, so that's done.
done.
Add the glitter into the slime and mix well with the mixing sticks. There goes the
So-
glitter.
How do I open this? Interesting. It's a bit confused because I don't know how to pour this bag of glitter. Oh, there we go.
How are you doing it?
Ah! Oh. Oopsies. Never mind. We'll mix with the stick.
You can pick it up and put it inside, or not?
No.
They look lovely, though. Okay, so mix, mix, mix.
Mix it up until you get a nice consistency, until it not dissolves, because it needs to be still in that, and then we need to add the activator.
Okay, yes, that's what it says. Now listen. Use the measuring cup and pour out 5 milliliter of the slime activator.
Of this.
You may need to ask an adult to help you to remove the end of the plastic tube so that you can pour the slime activator. An adult, that is me,
Mom can help.
of course.
So take this. So now you've got this mixture, and now you use the activator, which my mommy doesn't know how to do. If you know how to make fluffy slime, just link in the comments, because I don't know how to make fluffy slime. I'm worse at making fluffy slime.
I will say stop, okay? When you do it. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. That's a lot. That is a lot.
They mix it. Oh, it's turning into slime. It's turning into slime. Mix it up until you get a nice consistency. Remember, but if you have this, make sure don't use 1,000 milliliters of activator, because it might spill. Oh no!
Yes, but you just have to follow the instructions.
You have to follow the instructions, and it's going into goo. And
All says here. Oh, oops.
yep, it says over there.
So it says slowly stir the mixture for 5 to 10 minutes until the slime thickens. Let the slime rest for 5 minutes. You can now play with the slime. Remember to wash your hands after playing with slime. So you have to leave it for 5 minutes.
Leave it for 5 minutes. If you have some glitter, just add it in.
Yeah, you can put all the glitter in. That's alright.
Then you can do it like this, and then you can.
And then and that's the slime. This is the slime. Ooh, the slime. Guys, it looks magical. What do you think?
It is just nice, and I saw a Beauty and the Beast pantomime.
Oh yeah, at school today.
Yep. and it was a bit horrifying. And Merry Christmas!
Bye, Teach.
See you for part 2.